Here's a 2012 Toyota Tundra. This full-size pickup offers protection with its rollover sensors, anti-lock brakes, and an anti-skid system. Heavy duties will be efficiently accommodated with its power and handling. Other accommodations include a tilt and telescoping steering wheel and heated mirrors.
Protect your truck from dings and dents with the bed liner. The V8 engine provides the power you need. See objects previously out of sight with the rear view camera.
Take care of business and stop in for a test drive today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.